Park now. I mean at Happy Park. You see the fun fair. Say hello guys. Look at this one, I'm sure you know her.
Yes, the gang.
Yeah, we're going to Abbey Park to see the bonfire fireworks. And it's crazy out here. Literally madness. Say hello Zach.
Hello.
And he's excited to see it. He's on the ride.